In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com with Tally and Notion in a seamless tri-app flow that will streamline your workflow and make automation a breeze. Whether you're trying to simplify your data gathering or want to ensure your data flows smoothly through various apps, this guide will help you set it up effectively. First, you need to head over to Make.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Look for the option that says Create a New Scenario and click on it. This is where the magic begins. A scenario at Make.com is essentially the blueprint of your automation, setting the sequence in which each app will perform its designated role. Begin by adding Tally as your trigger app. Tally will set off the chain reaction every time a specified action occurs. You'll want to choose New Form Submission as the trigger event, as this will initiate the process every time someone submits a form via Tally. For this to work, you'll need to connect your Tally account. You can do this by providing either the form's public link or an API key associated with your account. This connection is crucial as it allows Make.com to recognize when to trigger the automation. Next, add Notion as the action app. The action app is where you specify what happens once Tally triggers the scenario. Here, you'll choose Create Database Item as your action, enabling you to automatically add new submissions to a specific database in Notion. Alternatively, you can select Update if you wish to update existing entries in your database. At this juncture, you'll need to input your Notion integration token to establish a connection with your Notion account. Once connected, you'll select your target database, the destination for all new submissions. At this point, if you need additional customization, you might consider adding another Make module between Tally and Notion. This could be for filters to sift through data more precisely, formatting to ensure your entries fit perfectly, or even notifications to alert you or your team when a new entry is made. Now, it's time to map the Tally form fields to your Notion database properties. This mapping ties your form submissions to the respective columns in your Notion database, such as name, email, or notes, ensuring all data ends up in the right spot. Before you wrap it all up, it's essential to test your setup. Click Run Once to trial the flow and see if everything behaves as expected. Checking up on this step ensures that you haven't missed any connections and that the data flows flawlessly from Tally to Notion. Once you're satisfied with the results, it's time for the final step. Click on Activate Scenario to set things in motion. Now your tri-app flow is live and will automatically perform the actions whenever a form submission is detected. And there you have it, a powerful and straightforward method to connect Make.com with Tally and Notion.